Stop studying like a robot. You already passed my level 1, the beginning method, but now you feel stuck? You can say simple things, but your English feels short. Today, we are crossing the intermediate bridge to build a longer and natural sentences. Well, I used this exact method to get a perfect 40 out of 40 on my advanced speaking test at university. It's not about harder words, it's about a new habit. So, how do we stop the robot talk? Well, I have 3 rules that easy to follow to share with you today. And if you're ready, let's dive into the rule number 1. The because habit. In level 1, we use the toddler rule. In level 2, we never end a sentence without a reason. Add because in every third. For example, I love my boyfriend becomes I love my boyfriend because he is amazing. Rule number 2. Adjective add-ons. Stop just naming things. Give them adjective. Don't just say I bought a book. Say I bought an interesting book. One adjective makes you sound 10 times more fluent. And finally, rule number 3. The feeling shift. Level 1 is for facts, and level 2 is for feeling. Don't just tell me what you did. Tell me if it was fun, boring, or exciting. This is how you start a real conversation. These rules work, but sometimes your brain still gets stuck. That is when I bring in my secret weapon. That is the mirror method. So how do I practice this without a teacher? I use the mirror method. I take a level 1 sentence I said earlier today, like I eat Thai food. I look at the mirror and challenge myself to add a bridge word. I try, I eat Thai food, but it is too spicy for me. This forced my brain to build the bridge manually until it becomes a habit. It takes a little extra work, but that is exactly how I got my 40 out of 40 score. Now I want to see you try it. It's your turn for the bridge challenge. Write a simple level 1 sentence in the comments, and I will help you bridge it into a level 2 sentence using but or because. If you are ready to stop being a robot, hit like and subscribe button for level 3. I'm Pim and we are growing together from Thai to Try, and I will see you for the next level. Bye bye.